This is our sanitary napkin vending machines. This is sensor operated, and this is coin operated, either 5 rupee or 10 rupee, like that. This is multi-coin machine. You can put 5 rupee and 10 rupee in the combination of coins. This is note accepted. You can put 10 rupee note or 20 rupees note. Let us see the working of this machine. This is sensor model. No need to press anything. Just you have to show your hand here. You can get the pad here. Simple. And this is coin operated. You can put 5 rupee coin here. You can push this door and you can collect the napkin. The same here, you can put multiple coins, like 5 1 rupee coins, like that. Here you can put 10 rupee note. And we'll see the loading of the napkins. There is a spiral here. We have to load the napkins like this. That's all. Thank you.